Finbox Robo-advisor for investing. Honest review: what before using. Finbox is a financial analytics platform offering tools for in-depth stock research and valuation modeling. It is not a traditional robo-advisor for providing automated investment management. Then here are the key features: access to extensive financial data enabling details company evaluation, riches fundamental analysis. Customizable model: users can create and adjust financial model to access investment opportunity, and also it comes with a stock screener, a comprehensive tools to filter stock based on various criteria, and also allow integration of inbox data into personal application or spreadsheet. And here's the advantages of these financial tools. It comes with a comprehensive data which offer a very array of financial metric for true analysis. Also customizable tools, flexible modeling option cater to individual research needs. Also user-friendly interface which is designed for ease of navigation, benefiting both novice and experienced investors. And here's the downside: it comes with a learning curve. This platform's extensive features may require time to master, and also it does not offer automated portfolio arrangement or personalized investment services. And here's the final verdict: Finbox is a valuable resource for investors seeking detailed financial analysis tools. However, those looking for automated investment management should consider traditional robo-advisor like Pyramid or Wealthfront.